Are you dreaming of your next big adventure but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 6 key things you need to consider when planning a trip abroad. Number 1. Research your destination. First things first, research is crucial. When planning a trip abroad, you want to know as much as you can about your destination. It's not just about finding the best tourist spots. Take time to understand the local culture, language, and customs. Learning a few key phrases in the local language can go a long way in building connections with locals. Plus, it's always useful to know about local traditions, holidays, and even social etiquette to avoid any cultural missteps. Don't stop at just the basics, dig deeper. Find out about the destination's hidden gems, lesser-known attractions, and off-the-beaten-path experiences. These can often be the most memorable parts of your trip. Number 2. Budgeting and finances. Next, let's talk about money. Having a solid budget for your trip is essential. Before booking anything, research the cost of living in the country you're visiting. Things like accommodations, food, transportation, and entertainment can vary dramatically depending on where you go. And don't forget to factor in exchange rates. Knowing the local currency value will help you stay within your budget and avoid any unexpected surprises. A good rule of thumb is to plan for all major expenses like flights and hotels, but also set aside a buffer for unforeseen costs. You might encounter extra charges like baggage fees, tips, or even spontaneous shopping and dining. Number 3. Travel documents and insurance. The next step is to make sure all your travel documents are in order. This includes your passport, visas, and any other documentation that may be required by the country you're visiting. Check your passport's expiration date. Some countries require it to be valid for at least 6 months after your planned departure date. Additionally, look into visa requirements early, as some applications can take weeks to process. Travel insurance is another must-have. A small investment in travel insurance can provide peace of mind and keep your trip on track, even when things don't go as planned. Number 4, plan your itinerary. Now comes the fun part, planning your itinerary. It's easy to get carried away with wanting to see and do everything, but remember, balance is key. Prioritize must-see attractions, but leave room for flexibility and spontaneity. Overbooking yourself can lead to exhaustion and take the joy out of the experience. Instead, mix in some downtime where you can wander, explore, or simply relax. While planning, think about the types of activities that excite you. Are you more into cultural experiences, or are you the adventurous type who prefers hiking, diving, or even skydiving? Tailor your itinerary to your interests and travel style. Number 5. Accommodation and transportation. Choosing where to stay and how to get around are 2 important factors to consider when planning your trip abroad. Start by picking the right type of accommodation for your needs, whether it's a luxury hotel, an affordable hostel, or even an Airbnb. Look at reviews, location, and accessibility to the attractions you want to visit. As for transportation, plan how you'll get from one place to another. Research transportation passes or travel cards that can help you save money while exploring. Number 6. Safety and health. Finally, safety should always be a priority. Before traveling, research the safety of your destination. Understand the local laws, customs, and travel advisories issued by your government. This can help you avoid potentially dangerous areas or situations. In terms of health, make sure you have any necessary vaccinations or medications for your destination. It's always a good idea to carry a small first aid kit with basic medications and supplies for any minor ailments or injuries. And remember, staying hydrated and well-rested can make a huge difference in how much you enjoy your trip. And there you have it. Make sure to like this video and drop a comment about your dream destination.